Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Propwire, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find a list of REO or bank-owned properties with your Propwire account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to get a list of REO properties with your Propwire account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're a real estate investor, you know that a lot of times when the bank has already foreclosed on the property and it's bank owned or REO, oftentimes they want to get it off their books so they can sell for a discount. I personally have never worked on one of those aside from being on the agent side, but I have heard of stories where people will approach the bank and offer to buy it and take it off their books. I guess that's probably for maybe a smaller bank, or maybe if you have a relation with that bank. Whatever the case, it's a pretty easy process and worth a try, and it's all handled here in your Propwire dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave all the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Propwire, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to get a list of REO or bank-owned properties, go ahead and just type in your farming area. So it could be a county, it could be a city or a zip code. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in Long Beach, California. Okay, now it's filtering out. Okay, it looks like there's about 100,000 properties in Long Beach, California. And with Propwire, they make it pretty easy. Just click here on lead types and then just scroll down until you see this bank owned. Okay, now it's going to go ahead and start filtering out. Now we can see there's 128 REO properties in Long Beach alone. Now, if you want, you can go ahead and filter this down even more. So maybe you only want to go after single family homes or just condos or just multifamily. But along here on the right, you can go ahead and just click into any one of these properties. So for example, this one right here. And then if we click here on the owner information, you can see it's the name of the bank right here, the Meta Mortgage Legacy Living Trust. And here's their mailing address. And you can see what other properties are under that arm of that company. So with this information, maybe you want to send them a mailer and introduce yourself, especially if you are a local investor. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find a list of REO or bank-owned properties using just your Propwire account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.